Hello everyone. Today I am making a paper plane. I want to say you about history of paper planes. Chinese engineers are thought to have invented what could be considered the earliest paper planes around 2000 years ago. But these ancient gliders, usually crafted from bamboo and paper or linen, resemble kites more than the dart shaped flyers that have earned numerous Guinness World Record in recent years. So, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. I love you. You love me too. So please stay connected and watch my complete video. Thank you. Thank you very much.